Yo, no way.
Oh, is this?
No way.
Oh.
Oh, it's modded.
It is?
Yeah.
I was just about to go, I gotta get my video started.
I was gonna lose my mind. Well, at least they're
I get to ride
unlocked.
them.
Yeah. Oh, that's the original controller.
Yeah.
Glad we came here.
Yeah.
Let's be glad you had one.
I like that.
Okay, we're taking another round trip on these. Oh, hell yeah.
Hey.
What the? Yeah, these are the original controllers. Look at this lantern now. Oh, look. It kind of flashes. Strange. We'll go down to 2 and then get another car up. Let's be quiet here, the motor. Hopefully these people are quiet.
Yeah.
Definitely original controller. These are probably these controllers are probably a mix of solid state and relay. Because these are 70s armor logic. Oh,
Yeah,
these
these
are
are great.
awesome though. Maybe the button's just broke, who knows? Oh my god. I was not expecting. But it's a bummer the COP is replaced. You know what? I believe this was the Lady Luck.
The Lady Luck?
I think this was the Lady Luck.
I don't know.
Oh my.
Excuse us, guys.
Sorry.
Yeah. Thank you, thank you.
Same thing here.
18. These are amazing. I think these are gearless too.
They're pretty cool. Oh, hello, cabinet.
Turn the time.
Is there another tower here?
Yep. Get the bell once more. They all do that. It pulses. It's funny.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's it.